First, we measure and cut the bamboo to our desired lengths. We'll need several lengths to create the desired shape and density of the pendant. Precise measurements are key to achieving a balanced and aesthetically pleasing design. Now carefully arrange and glue the bamboo strips together to form the pendant structure. You can create various patterns, a simple circular design, a more complex geometric pattern, or even a cascading effect. Ensure the adhesive is applied evenly and allow ample drying time for a secure bond. On my second day of my project process, I painted them all black to look like a modern. On the third day of my project process, I cut some 4 abacus sheet and glued it together to the bamboo. So last, a simple handcrafted Japanese vintage style bamboo pendant light. This product combines traditional craftsmanship with modern lighting technology, creating a unique and charming piece for your home.